He's at the top. 23-21, 43. Wow! Nahuli na. Pass to Trinidad. Uy! Na-anspo. Uy! Stolen. 2-on-1.
Pass to Members.
Bomba. Oh! Pre will attack. Straight to the hoops. Back at 4-2. Pre. Pabro to Ray hook and under. The pass break. And here's Claor floater. Bucket. Back to Let's go. Welcome to Final Sabra Intertown Solid North Cup. And first ball possession Bacolod. It's against Bukay. Fabro dribbling the ball. Pass to Meneses at the top. To Reverente, the cross pass. Here comes Fabro, will attack. Fires. Rebound. Napasa Gulayan. Pull up J. In and out. And here's Team Bukay. Pre. Throws the mid lane. Will attack. Will pass to the corner for 3. Off the target. Rebound Pre. Falling away. There's blood. Reverente will set the play. Cross pass. Here's Pablo. Launches on deep. Bam! Found by Meneses. Meneses. Straight to the host. Minute beat. Face to face. Divina. Pass to Trinidad. To Pre. Will bump. Post. Spins. Kicks out. Open look. Gonzalez. Bam! And here's Meneses. Passes to Gulayan. Pass to Meneses. At the top. Pass to Gulayan. Gulayan holds the ball. Pass to Meneses inside. No look pass inside. Ang gandang pasa. Yun lang. Divina. Pass to Pre. Pre against Gulayan. Pass to Gonzalez. Goes to the middle. Corner pass. Will attack. Trinidad. Pinabitin ang time. Kicks out wide. Open for 3. Won't go. Meneses. Pass to Pabro. Pabro to Reverente. Hook and under. Oh! Scoop layup. And here's Divina. Pass to the corner. Trinidad. Bounce pass to Pars at 3. Pre. Won't go. Rebound by Gulayan. Gulayan. Pass to Reverente. Reverente to Pabro. Pabro to Meneses. Pass to Gulayan. Gulayan to Meneses. Pass to Gulayan for long 2. In and out. And here's Divina against Gulayan. Lumusot. Penetrates inside pass. Pre will bump. Reverse layup. Bullseye. Here is Reverente. Pass to Gulayan. Gulayan di distansya. It's against Divina. Will attack. Will bump. Will spin. Kicks out. Meneses. Will fire. Nagid. Rebound. And abot back na libre. Value. Will cross the mid lane. Pass to Pabro. Pass to the corner. Reverente will fix. Will fire a 3. Bam! Pre. Will drive against Gulayan. Will bump. Will lace. And first throw. Pre. Bucket. Second and the free throw. Bucket. 2 points. 14 Buklok. Reverente. Pass to Gulayan. Pull up jumper. Too strong. Rebound by Trinidad. Trinidad will bounce pass. Corner 3. Bang! Gonzalez. Reverente against Gonzalez. The pass to Meneses. To Fabro. Guarded with Claor. And shot clock down to 8. Will do it. The floater shot. Bucket! Claor against Gulayan. Pass to the corner. Trinidad to Pre. Pre will attack. Goes inside. Bounce pass. Stolen. Here's Gulayan. 4 on 2. The pass. The bump. The bus. Yes, sir! Up. Here's Gieb. Gieb. High pass inside. Pass to the middle. Stolen by Pre. Pre will attack. Straight to the hoops. Back at 4-2. Pre. Slowly dribbling the ball. Shot clock down to 16. 16-15. 1 point lead for Buklok. The bounce pass. Here's Pabro against Claor. Stepping back fix. And a pass back. Will attack. Nakalusot. Bakit? Pabro, what a unidad. And here's Gonzalez. Will goes to the middle ace. Basket and one. Pass to Pabro. Pabro. Pass back. Pabro will spin. Foul. First throw is in. 13 seconds on the game clock. Second throw won't go. Rebound by Pre. Here's against Gulayan. Bounce pass to the middle. Gabayni. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Gabayni. Here's Giev. The long pass. It's up. Will bump. Stepping back. And pass to Giev. Attack. Floater. Bullseye. Giev. The long pass. And here's Pre. Pre to the hoops. Bucket for two. Pre. And here's Gulayan. Pass to Pabro. Pabro against Pre. Pass to fires at 3. Short. Rebound. And here's Trinidad. Will bump. And pass. Long pass. Claor. Pull up J. Bullseye. Giev. Sumigsag between the legs. Pass to Pabro. Will fix. To Giev. Attacks. Spins. Poke shot. No good. And the pass break. And here's Claor. Floater. Bucket. Back. And no look pass. Pull up J. No good. Tips in. Bucket. The big knock. And the long pass by Pre. Here's Trinidad. Will attack. Will bump. Will go out. Pass to Claor. Natapikan. Pre against Giev. Bump. Oy! Talsik. Fires at 3. Bump! And here's Giev. He stops. Pass to Gulayan. Gulayan will fire. Rejected. For 3. Nagid. Bounce pass. And here's Timbukay. The long pass. Pre. Will drive. Will lace. Easy 2. And here's Pre. Pre. Corner pass. Fires at 3. Gonzalez. Bam! Kicks out. Trinidad against Bello. Will drive. Rejected by Meneses. Saves the ball. Here's Meneses. Meneses goes inside. Will lace. Binit. Bedang time. Meneses. Claor will close the mid lane. Pass to Gonzalez. To Gabayni. Posting up against Reverente. Natapikan. He's stolen. 2-on-1. Pass to Meneses. Tinignan ba? Boom! Boom! Second quarter action. And Gonzalez. Trinidad to drives to the hoops. Rejected again. Claor inbounding. Pass inside to Pre. Reverse layup. Bullseye. Reverente. Pass to corner. Pull up jumper. Gulayan. Bucket. Gulayan. Pre the receiver. Goes out against Pabro. Will fire at 3. One go. Rebound by Gabayni. Kicks out. And here's Pre. Will dribble. Kicks out. Gonzalez. And he spins. Goes to the wing side. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. Divina. Pass. Bullseye. Done. Gulayan at the top. Pass to Pabro. Pabro will drive. Will bump. Will lace. Rejected. And here's Pre. Pass to Trinidad. Lace. Easy to Trinidad. Reverente. Pupunas ng sapatos. Reverente. Pass to Pabro. Will fires at 3. In and out. Tips in. One go. Rebound. Last throw. Bucket. 10-point lead. 14 Bukay. Pass to Gabayni. Gabayni. Will kicks out. Divina inside pass. Hallyu pass to Trinidad. Gulayan. Gulayan. Goes to the screen. Corner. Open look for 3. Negid. Rebound by Pabro against Trinidad. Will lace. Bucket. Pabro. Gulayan. Pass to Gonzalez. Trinidad. Pass to the middle. Pull up J. Won't go. Rebound by Meneses. Meneses. Will straight. Binit-bit. Hangtan. Na good. And Pre. Pass to Trinidad. Bam. Uy. Na-anspo. Uy. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And 56 seconds on the game clock. The pull-up jumper of the baseline. Bakit? Trinidad. Pass to Fabro. Fabro at the top. Pass to Reverente. Pass inside. Inside pass. Floater. Easy to Divina. Guarded by 2. Spins. Lost the handle. Recover. Inside pass. Picks. Class 5. Pre with the finish. That's the end. Here is Divina. Third quarter action here. Gonzalez. Pass to Gabaini. Posting up. Kicks it out to Divina. Will attack. Will pass inside. Reverse layup. Baskets. And here's Giev. Pass to Pabro. Pabro. Bounce pass to the middle. Will recover. Will to the middle. Inside pass. Floater of the glass. Bucket for 2. Divina. Bounce pass to Pre. Pre. Will picks. Will bump. Will fire off the window. Money. Pre. And here's Giev. At the top. Pass to the corner. Meneses to Giev. Giev to Pabro. Against Divina. Bump. Lost the ball. Dive for the ball. Recover. Will fire. Yes, sir. Giev. Here's lost the handle. Pre. Pass to Divina. Pre will bump. Will spins. Rejected. And the fast break. And Giev behind the back. Oh, my foul. And the pass to Pre. Pre. Pass to Gabaini sa tres. Bang! And here's Giev. Giev straight to the hoops. And bump. And pass. Create space. Hook shot. And Gonzalez will free. Bam! The net. Yes. Pass to Pabro. Pabro space. Spins. Will attack. Will bump. Will pass. The floater. Yes, sir. Belio. Stop. Against Meneses. Will bump. Tatapikan. Stolen. And is Giev. The pass. Pabro will free. Kinigdan yung guardia. Easy to Pabro. And Claor. Against Belio. Claor. Bounce pass to the middle. Pre. Will attack. Will pass. Will fire. Short. Won't go. And rebound by Pre. Wall bump. Oy! Grabe yun. One hit delete. And here's Giev. Giev 3 on 2. Will attack. Will pass. Inbound. And here's Pabro. Pabro. 1-on-1. Bump. Goes to the corner. Step back for 3. Bang! Claor. Down to 9-point lead. Claor. Pass to Gonzalez. High pass to Gabaini. Pass back. Gonzalez for 3. Bang! Belio. Pass to Pabro. Pabro against Pre. Pass to Belio. For the inbound, here's Meneses. Pass to Reverente. Crossover, attacks. Will bump. Rejected. Kicks out. And here's Pabro. Picks. Floater. Yes, sir. Pabro. Belio. High pass. Claor. Claor will set the play. The cross pass. To the middle. Wide open. Pre. Short. Rebound Gonzalez. Kicks out. Claor pull up jumper. Won't go. Rebound by Pre. Put back too strong. And here's Meneses. Meneses. Straight pass. And Liz. Bucket. Yes. Pass to Pre. Pre the long pass. Here's Claor. Pass to Gonzalez. Gonzalez will set the play. Pass to Claor. Gonzalez left alone for 3. Bam! From deep. And here's Reverente. Pass to Pabro. Pabro pass to the mid corner. Pull up J. Too strong. Rebound by Trinidad. Trinidad will take it easy. Looking for the clock. And Trinidad goes to the middle to Claor. Claor goes to the screen. And the pass. Here's Trinidad against Reverente. Will attack. Open look for 3. Bam! 3-point. Give. Will attack to the hoops. Bucket. Give. And Meneses will drive. Corner. 1 bounce and 5. Bucket. Pabro. The long pass. Trinidad. Pass to the middle. Gabayni. Kicks out. Claor. Claor to Pre. Pre will post up against Bello. Pull up jumper. Bucket. And for the backdoor inbound. Kicks out. Topican. Stolen. Give. Pinabitin. Oh! Oh! Goal! Oh! And he spins. And pass to the corner. And attacks, picks, pump, reverse layup, bullseye. Oh, nagbabay pa! Yes. The pass. 3-on-1. Place, bucket, give. And here's a pass. Oop. The save. And Gabayni inside pass. Libre si Kaor. Easy to Claor. Point lead. And the pass. And high pass. Gonzalez guarded by Gulayan. To Trinidad. Guarded by Giev. And the pass. Close the handle. Stolen. And Giev. And delays. One go away. First on the free throw. Bucket. Last on the free throw. Oh, one go. Here's Gonzalez against Gulayan. Crossover. He's at the top. At the middle. Will attack. Open look for 3. Trinidad. In and out. And the pass. Gabayni against Pabro will bump. Kicks out. Will drive. Pull up jumper. Won't go. And here's Giev. 3-on-2. Will attack. Will side step the pass. And another pass. Sinausaw. 8-point lead. And he spins. Corner. Inside pass. Gabayni easy 2. Back to 10-pound Gulayan. And Gulayan 4-on-2. And pass. No good. Oh, stolen. Pass break. Trinidad will attack. Won't go. Spins. Giev. Pass. Pablo wide open. Mabla rejected. Oh. Pass break. Pre. Inside pass. Bob will spin. Create space. And the pass. Claor. Takes. And Gonzalez. Fires at 3. Bam! And here's Meneses. Bounce pass. Leash. Basket and 1. Last on the free throw. Bonus free throw. Short. Rebound. Put back. Nugget. And the pass. And Trinidad. Bucket. Oh! Congratulations.